Hey guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'll be showing us how to quickly create a text table or a crosstab in Tableau. So let's get started. So I have a crosstab displayed on my screen. You can see it is in rows and columns, just my data being displayed in form of a table. So to quickly create this, connect to your data source. I've connected to Sample EU Superstore, and I'll create a new sheet and select the different columns I want appearing in my text table. So I'm going to hold down the shift key and select all the columns I need, and I'm going to drag it into the visualization. You can see it's intuitive. It has put some in the columns and put some in the rows. You can as well drag them back into it. Again, if you have your data sets or your columns scattered all over the place, you can hold down the command key or control key in Windows and select the dates or the data fields you need. In this case, I will select category, customer name, and delivery. You can see it is not sequential, and let me select order ID. Again, I'm going to drag it into the visualization, and it's going to give me my crosstabs display. So let's do that again. And I will bring it into this place. You can see that it has given me this two roller grid, and there you have it. It's put it's before. So again, it's always been in before. If it gives you that icon, you know that it's time for you to drop. I hope you find this video helpful. Please like and share and comment. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.